Assalamualaikum. This is Usman Chaudhary with the part number 3 of Micro Hydropower Complete course. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, I am starting my next topic, Pelton wheel turbines. Pelton wheel turbine was invented by Lester Allen Pelton in 1870. This turbine is the pure form of impulse turbine and high efficient. This turbine is suitable for high head and low water discharge. Starting with the parts and assembly of Pelton wheel turbine. Powerhouse, penstoke pipe and 4-bay tank. If we get inside the powerhouse, the turbine and generator set is installed on this layout. The penstoke pipe is connected with the jet assembly, which produces a high-speed jet of water. This high-speed jet of water strikes the buckets of runner and rotates it. When high-speed jet of water strikes the bucket, it splits into two parts. Watch this animation to understand. This is a small-scale model turbine. The part in front of you is the bearing housing, inside of which there is 2 bearings, 2 water seals and 1 shaft. This is the water seal which stops the water from entering into the bearing housing. This is the bearing housing. Now observing the jet assembly closely. This is another water seal which stops the water from coming out from jet assembly. This is the nozzle which makes jet. The stainless steel needle which controls the flow of jet. The stainless steel needle is controlled by rotating this disc. Now removing all the parts one by one. Jet assembly. belt and pulleys set. Bearing container. Bearing. Bearing housing. Here is the another bearing and water seal with black color. Front plate of transparent plastic. Buckets. Runner washer. Runner bolt. Runner disc. Discharge tube with base frame. Now disassembling the jet assembly. Nozzle. Needle adjusting disc. Needle seal cover. Water seal. Threaded nut for needle adjustment. Jet assembly casing. and the stainless steel needle.